On a winding mountainous path, Elijah is at crossroads, torn between ambition and obligation. He is faced with two blueprints, each promising a different destiny. The sun beats down, mirroring the inner turmoil, as he clutches a worn Bible. Alone in his dimly lit childhood home, Elijah grapples with blueprints, his face a canvas of worry and determination. In a moment of quiet desperation, Elijah closes his eyes, seeking guidance from a higher power. A voice echoes, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding." Bathed in ethereal light filtering through stained glass windows, Elijah kneels in the silent church, wrestling with a profound decision. In the solitude of prayer, Elijah grapples with his conscience, seeking guidance in the echoing silence of the sacred space. In the house of God, Elijah reflects on the scripture, "In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight." At the familiar fork, Elijah's gentle smile signals a choice made, his city blueprint now set aside. With newfound peace, Elijah begins walking towards his hometown, leaving behind the allure of the city. The path ahead, once shrouded in doubt, now appears clearer and brighter, promising a hopeful journey home. Months later, at the heart of his revitalized hometown, Elijah orchestrates the construction of a community center, a symphony of laughter and unity, filling the air. Gazing upwards, Elijah whispers, "He has made my path straight." Elijah's countenance beams with an inner peace, a testament to his transformative journey.